Let's go over the majority of the commands we're going to use in our terminal. The first command that we're going to want to use is change directory, list structure, make directory, and clear. First one is ls, list structure. That'll show you all of the children in whatever folder you're currently in. CD stands for change directory. It's how you move and navigate your file system. You type CD followed by the name of a folder. You can actually start typing the name and then hit tab, and that'll auto-complete the name for you. Once you change directory to a new folder, you can ls to list the structure and see all of the files in your new folder. We'll change directory into the videos folder inside of my documents folder just to see what's in there. Inside of videos, we can see all of the video files that I have, and we can run cd ... to go up to one parent level above. So when I run cd ... I'll go out of the videos folder and I'll see what's there, running ls, and then I'll cd ... one more time to go back up to my root directory. The last command is clear. That's going to delete all of the logs from your terminal to make it a little bit more clean. We'll run ls again, and then we'll change directory into documents. Inside of documents, I'm going to test the last command, which is mkdir. That stands for make directory. I'm going to make it just a test folder. I'm just demonstrating right now. Once we've created a test folder, we're all done. Now, for Windows users, let's show you how you can install a prompt. But before that, let's check all of our libraries. First, we'll check for Node. We'll run node-v and see that we have not installed Node. npm-v for Node Package Manager, and we'll see we don't have Node Package Manager. And finally, jovo-v to see that we have not installed Jovo yet. Now let's move on for Windows users to show you how to set up and install an active working terminal.